Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel at 5 Minutes Tech. Today's topic is CNC turning center tooling, which is most important while working on CNC turning, but before we start our topic I would suggest you to subscribe my channel for further informative videos. Moving on to our topic, I would suggest to turn the Swan Soft CNC simulator on. Then let the software run properly. Now remove the emergency alarm by twisting the emergency switch. Now machine homing operation for X-axis and Z-axis simultaneously. Moving on to the menu bar and click on Machine Operation and then Tool Management. A new window will open, and that is Tool Magazine Management. Here you can see Tool Option and also Tool Graph. In Tool Option, these are the number of tools, types, length, diameter, shank width, insert length, insert thickness, nose radius, insert material. And this is the Tool Graph. Now moving to the tool type and double click on it. New window will open, and that is the Tool Editor. And this is the Tool 1. This is External Turning Tool right hand side. External Turning Tool left hand side. External Turning Tool neutral. External Grooving left hand side. External Grooving right hand side. Internal Turning. Drilling. External Threading. Internal Threading. Internal Grooving. Tapping. Round tool. This is shank length. Diameter of the insert. And height of the tool. Further select any tool from model. Face Grooving Tool. Acme thread or T-type thread. Here you can change tool insert as required from the model option. This is the Tool Parameter option. Select any tool you want, for example select External Turning Tool, left hand side. Select the shank length, for example, 150. Shank width 25. These figure are in millimeters. RPM and the feed rate will be defined in program. Insert type. SNMG 90-degree insert. CNMG 80-degree insert. CNMG 75 degree. DNMG 55 degree. 5NMG 35 degree. RNMG round insert. TNMG triangular insert 60 degree. WNMG 80 degree. Insert parameters. You can select required length for insert. For example, External Turning Tool left hand side. The NMG 35 degree insert. Length 16. Insert thickness 3.2. Nose radius and depth of cut also 0.8. Insert material. You can select any material from the given. For example, carbon tool steel. Then select OK. Now you can see the tool number 1. External. Length 150. Width 25. Insert length 7. Insert thickness 3.2. And insert material. Now click and hold the external option and drag and drop on the tool magazine number 1. Then click on Mount Tool. Then click on OK. Now zoom in and check the turret is holding the tool in pocket number 1. Check the face of tool. And also check the insert cutting direction. I hope today's topic would be helpful and interesting. Thank you for watching. See you on next topic.